Hi guys and most welcome to my YouTube channel Kidzstars. Hope you all are fine and doing great. Today in this video guys you all see the Keemokazi singing rap song during cooking in kitchen. So guys make sure you watch this video till the end. Let's start the video. Keemokazi singing rap song during cooking in kitchen. So let's see and enjoying it till the end. Oh, that's great. Keemokazi fully enjoying his singing. Super. She gon' jump right on this day. A, B, C, D, need me the keys. I got to be back in the front of the yard. Bad little bitch, and I do come back and I do it so good, yeah, I do it so hard. Ain't no addition, I'm pulling the stars. I got a vision, she taking it far. She wanna hop in the boat, where's coloring? She looked at the sauce and stars. She thought she was space, I need some space. I hop in this beat and I'm going away. She wanna play, she wanna dance. I told her that bitch don't play no games. I got a hat on top of the kitchen. I got a hat on top of your bitch. They want a cap inside of this shit. They gon' get smacked and they gon' get stitched. That's just a. So guys, thanks for watching this video. In this video guys, you will see the Keemokazi singing rap song during cooking in kitchen. Hope you guys you like this video. If you like it, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. See you in the next video.